Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having troubles with Instagram Reels not showing up, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Outdated versions might not support all features, including Reels. Visit Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Instagram and update if a new version is available. Next, check your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is essential for loading Instagram features. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or a good mobile data signal. Sometimes, restarting the app can resolve the issue. Close Instagram completely and then reopen it. If that does not work, try restarting your phone. You might need to reinstall the app after deleting it. Ensure your account settings are correct. Sometimes switching from a business to a personal account or vice versa can resolve the issue. Check if the Reels are available in your region. Instagram Reels might not be available in all regions. Visit Instagram Help Center or search online to confirm if Reels are available in your country. If Reels are still not showing up, try logging out and logging back into your account. If none of these steps work, it might be a temporary issue on Instagram's end. We hope these steps help you fix the issue of Instagram Reels not showing up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.